This Christmas pressure is not too much for us. Everybody just dey call Christmas gift, Christmas clothes, Christmas this. Abeg make una let us breathe now. Make una let us breathe. Make pressure no go keep person. This just a cost. Rice cost, chicken cost, clothes cost. God.
Oh God, they come here. This one not go pass billing.
Hello, my son. Remember my rice and my chicken. God go bless you as you remember mama.
Hello, my son. Christmas not the reach. Don't forget your uncle. God bless you, my son.
Hello, brother. Me and Onome dey yo. Our Christmas cruise. Hope say you remember. You go buy for us this year.
Hello, my son. Christmas not the reach.
Remember my rice and my chicken.
God bless you, my son.
Precious.
Miracle.
Gagame. I could have done anything about this Christmas.
No. Why Uncle go over tell us? No, would they tell us when it reach Christmas time?
Make a good better talk fast. Make it better cover our Christmas clothes for us, unless while I go boss.
Jesus.
While I go boss we inside this house.
You see Uncle will buy our Christmas clothes. How much go reach for your Christmas clothes?
Like 1 million.
1 million. You should say if the dust Uncle, you should say come up for Uncle body come.
No, no.
Say 1 million. Okay. Gagame, what of you? How much could be your own? 10 million. 10 million. And small rich. You go for big person like yourself. But for me, man, 1.6 billion.
Come again.
1.6 billion.
Some of you are just
If you say Uncle na down go to all Davido. Even though they say Uncle no go reach that 1.6 billion.
But it's 1.6 billion. I don't talk about talk.
You got to find yourself now. It's a matter of the cash with the fire yourself. So they okay, so.
Never see anything.
Oh God.
But if you get where you talk now, sure you got the person on. Sure.
I go.
This one.
Delight. Christmas pressure, it won't kill me. The pressure won't just finish my life. Pata.
Never see anything. They play.
For us, if you see the way all these children, when they follow me, they sleep. All of the joy they talk about Christmas, Uncle, if we not see our Christmas clothes, na wahala. Uncle, if we not see Christmas rice and a chicken, na wahala.
Exactly.
If you see money when all these children they call for only Christmas clothes, one say 1.6 billion.
You were not a
One day they talk about 10 million, I be 1 million. The other one say 5K.
For Christmas. So those children don't they talk. Anyway, that one I help better. I don't settle my own, so I don't get any problem. So for this
shine.
where they worry me now. I don't get any single problem again. You get my own like this. Even like us. So everywhere they quiet like this. And you go to face pressure now.
Sun they shine and he come be like say, could they cash me?
Never see anything.
I'm gonna do this issue because the pressure too much for me.
And you want face pressure? I mean, I don't get pressure. You don't see what they do like this now. I don't free myself. I don't go face the pressure. What do you are?
How you doing? Just to your family.
They play. I don't settle everything. No, nothing that happen. Not see why they free like this.
And they know they disturb you.
Why they want to disturb me now?
You get better family.
That's how they play. See, you know my guy, eh? When I see the racket, see the thing, I see go hard there. I just package one kind of racket. I fire that.
How you do and pass? Show me. If
You won't learn.
If now work, you can't get money. Show me. I won't work.
Work this country. Play. See, now I tell you, because he's my guy, not good expose them. See, I all look and see the men, the thing go hard there. I tell two of my people, they see how far. They tell me I don't die.
Yet,
I got a shock.
die care. Because of Christmas, you say you don't die. No, now you haven't got it to this extent now.
Don't be never got it to it.
Oh, you take here.
I then I made the face pressure. I mean, I'm going to the physical pressure. You go hear the rack, I mean, don't go hear that.
If you don't repent.
So I tell them, I die now, so everybody don't come out their mind, everybody don't cry. My phone, I don't change my SIM card. Nobody will come and say, I don't different. That's how they observe. I'm going to go see. Anybody ever know that they hear my voice and move to the lab and never hear me say they. You better be that too. Like you did at the door.
So now your spirit is there like this now.
You say my spirit, I be like, we don't die for your eye.
Hey, it's mass wahala.
I did now, they face pressure now.
Oh, me, I don't know if you just tell my family say I don't die just because of Christmas. So,
I did now. Face the pressure now because I'm not going to tell anybody say see me for you. Let me tell you.
Wow. I don't just know why they put this Christmas pressure for our head. Not be our birthday that they do. Now Jesus Christ's birthday. Why did they put that for our head?
Nobody want to hear that one why they talk so.
So my guy, I don't think I don't die. I would just try find way out.
I don't find her. Don't find because you are there. No, she don't tell anybody say me for you. No. So yeah, that will kill you.
So now your spirit there like this.
When I see my food, I don't carry for you. Don't shop. I don't shop now. I don't walk on your bench. After like out the 15 or the 20 now, come outside. They play now. Christmas free. They kill you. You don't find your way out there. You go die put on. I don't climb my way. Go to the conference.
Robo ado, emaru yema ado. Robo ado, emaru yema ado. O kalode.